उपयोगिता को देखते हुए जितने भी एक्सपेंशन की ज़रूरत है और आइडेंटिटी की ज़रूरत है वो सारे आइडेंटिटी को मैंने कलेक्ट किया है। इस तरह से 22 आइडेंटिटी हमने कलेक्ट किया है। आई हैव कलेक्टेड 22 algebraic identity, and already I had explained in my part 1 to 8, and they are going to start from 9 to 22. These are very important for your calculation and different steps. So I hope you will understand properly and remember all this. Okay, ninth number is a plus 1 by a whole square plus a minus a whole square, a plus 1 by a whole square plus a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus 1 by a square. Now again same identity which in my previous video I had explained, a plus b whole square, like that, a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 plus a square minus 2 plus 1 by a square is equal to 2 cancel and 2a square plus 2 1 by a square. 2 is common, a square plus 1 by a square. In this way your expansion of this one, a plus 1 by a whole square plus a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus 1 by a square. Now 10th number, going to start with 10th number. 10th number expansion is same, only 10th number expansion is same, only their symbol is minus. A plus 1 by a whole square minus a by 1 by a whole square is equal 4. Then can prove it. A square plus 1 by a square plus 2 minus a square plus, can write their bracket, plus 1 by a square minus 2 is equal a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 minus a square minus 1 by a square plus 2. Now a square 1 by a square cancel and 4 is your result. Now it is algebraic identity is expansion. As a formula you will use. Now next identity is 11 number, very important identity, a plus b into a minus b. A multiplied by a minus b plus b multiplied by a minus b. It is a square minus ab plus ab minus b square. ab cancel is equal a square minus b square. Now it is your algebraic expansion identity. Now 12 number is cubic form of identity. From 12 it is a cubic form. 12 number is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equal a cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a plus b cube plus b cube. Completed, this one completed. A plus b whole cube, we can write it a plus b into a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. Now a plus b into a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and once again multiplication, a into a square plus 2ab plus b square plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square. When you will understand how to get this, for how to get a plus b whole cube is equal this one, then it will be easy to memorize. That's why I am explaining all this identity. a into now a cube plus 2a square b plus ab square plus b a square plus 2a b square plus b cube. Now can write a cube plus 2a square b and ba square. It is 3a square b plus ab square and 2ab square is 2ab square plus b cube. It is your identity number 12. Identity number 12. A cube plus 3a square b plus 2ab square plus b cube. And next your identity is a cube plus b cube is equal a plus b whole cube, like this. Then same identity if we write like this, a cube, here is 3, a cube plus b cube plus 3a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Sometime you can see identity is written in book a plus b whole cube, like this also. So don't be confused. It is coming in a step by step, like this also we can find out. Now 12 number here over, and 13 number. 13 is written from 12 only. A plus b whole cube is equal this much. Now we can write this a cube plus b cube if write in left side. A cube plus b cube is equal, and a plus b whole cube is right side. A plus b whole cube in right side, and this one is in left side. Then these two term will come in right side with symbol negative, minus 3ab, 3a square b minus 3b square a. Like this it will be. And now a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab is common, a plus b we can write. In this way 13 number we can get. 13 number can get. And now for 14 number, these all are sub formulas. A cube plus b cube is this much. So we can get for 14 number a cube plus b cube, proceeding from this step, a cube plus b cube is equal, take a plus b common, a plus b common. Now a in first term a plus b whole square left, minus a plus b taken common, so minus 3ab is equal a plus b into a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3ab is equal a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Now it is formula. Always remember, these all are very important formula and used in till 9th standard, 10th standard it is used. A cube plus b cube is equal a square is equal a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. And mostly this formula is used for factorization form. For factorization it is used. Now 14 number also completed. Then 15 number. What is 15 number? Same like 12, we will multiply a minus b whole cube is equal a minus b. A minus b whole cube is equal a cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square a minus b cube. Then how to get? Let's check. By multiplication it is a minus b into a minus b whole square is equal a minus b into a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal a into a square minus 2ab plus b square minus b a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal a cube minus 3a square b plus ab square minus ba square plus 2ab square minus b cube. Now add a cube minus 3a square b and minus b square ba square. It is 2, not 3. Sorry. It is 2. Now 2 and 1, 3. A square b and plus ab square plus 2ab square is 3ab square minus b cube. This formula. Now formula a minus b whole cube we can write like this. And sometime it is written in the form of a common a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into b minus a minus b. If minus is there, then a minus b, and if plus is there, then b minus a. Anyway, you can write. So don't be confused. Whatever given, you can solve and get it. But for application, you can use direct this formula. A minus b whole cube is equal this much. So remember all this, and you can use. Next, 16 number. 16 number formula is same as in positive form. I wrote 16 number is same as previous 13 number. I explained like that only. A minus b whole cube is equal this one. Then take all this form in left side and a minus b cube in right side. Then a cube minus b cube in right side and a minus b whole cube is right side and a cube minus b cube in left side. Then these two term then yes, then these two term, both term will come in right side. It will be plus 3a square b and minus 3b square a. Both term will come in right side is equal a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube plus 3ab common and a minus b is your identity. And 17 number is one more step proceed is equal a minus b is common, then a minus b whole square plus 3ab is equal a minus b into a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 3ab is equal a minus b into a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 3ab, that means plus ab. It is identity. Now 16, 17 both together I explain. I hope you understand all step. Now 18 number for reverse of variable. Variable and their reverse. 18 number is a plus 1 by a whole cube. Cubic form is equal. In the same way, a plus b whole cube, we can write it a cube plus b cube, like this, a cube plus 1 by a cube plus, in a plus b whole cube, it is given 3a square b plus 3b square a. By taking common, I explained in 12 number, 3ab is common, then a plus b. Like that, if we take their common, otherwise 3a into 1 by a is equal into a plus 1 by a. Then a cancel, it will be a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 by a. Is like this. A cube plus 1 by a cube is plus 3 into a plus 1 by a is equal a plus 1 by a. 1 by a. There is a whole cube. Now a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal a plus 1 by a whole cube minus 3 a plus 1 by a. Only I have rearranged of 18 number. They are rearrangement of 18 number, that much only. It is 20 number. Now like that only we can prove 18 and 19 also. 19 number, 19 and 21. Same type, like a positive number, we can multiply negative variables and get this expansion. In this way 19 and 21 also we can get. Now last one is 22. Last one is 22. 22 also simple multiplication, algebraic multiplication. It is whole square, a plus b plus c whole square. If we multiply it 2 times, can get this form, a plus b plus c, 2 times multiplication, then a plus b plus c plus b into a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c is equal a square plus ab plus ac plus ba plus b square plus bc plus ca plus cb plus c square is equal, collect all a square b square plus c square, a square b square c square together. Now ab and one more ab there. Can write 2ab, ac and ac, 2ac plus c and bc, 2bc. In this way can get this identity, and I explained in part 1 and part 2 all 22 identity. Now you remembered all this, and then it is very useful till last of the mathematics.